Hi guys, it's about lunchtime and today I'm going to make for you a barbecue chicken meatball sandwich. So just let's get right into it. Start off by grinding our meat, and today we're using some chicken strips. They're already cooked, so we just want them to be minced. So we're going to put them in our processor. Okay, all done. Alright guys, so we didn't do it too small because we want our chicken to have a little texture. So that's the good thing about using a food processor. When you use a food processor, you control how fine you get your pieces. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna blend our herbs with some shredded carrots. So here I'm putting some shredded carrot in my food processor. Alright, I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic to that. Then we cut up some jalapeno pepper in there. Just get the flavors coming out. Right, this pepper is not really hot, so I'm gonna use the entire thing, even the seeds. Okay, good. And then to that I'm going to add some scallions. And since we put it in the food processor, we don't really care about cutting it too small. And then finally we're gonna add some rosemary leaves, and I'm just using the leaves of the rosemary. I don't want the bark in there. All right, and now we're gonna blend. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna add all of this goodness to our minced chicken. Guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Okay, so to this mixture that we have right here, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some minced cauliflower, and this is around 1 cup. And then I'm gonna spice it up with some black pepper. I'm using the seasoning right here. It's a sweet and tangy barbecue seasoning. Then I'm gonna use a complete seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add an egg to this. So just crack it gently right there. Today we're gonna use some ginger ale. So we're gonna pour some ginger ale all into this stuff. And that's like a 1/4 can. So let's get mixing and see what it's like. Okay, so I went ahead in my jar and I found this cute little thing right here. And I think it's a perfect size for my meatball, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use it to mold my meatballs. But I mean, at home you can either use your hands or you can use whatever you have. Probably if you have like an ice cream scoop, but I want all of them to be the same size. So just press it down a little bit to get it compact. Use my finger to get that off, and I just put it in my container like that. There you go. So we already preheat our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna bake our meatballs. Okay guys, so after 15 minutes, and we're going to take our meatballs out of the oven. We're still gonna leave the oven on because we're gonna put them back in there. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour barbecue sauce on it. I just made some, you know, special adjustment to my barbecue sauce. I put some lime juice in it. I put some Chinese sauce. You know, I put some little stuff in there. Add a little bit of water to make it kind of runny because, you know, you want it to cover the meatballs. It looks all juicy and nice. Yeah, so you can just make whatever adjustments you need to make to your barbecue sauce to get your flavor. That's it. We're gonna put it back in the oven for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Toast bread, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start building our sandwich. Okay guys, this is our final product. I went ahead and I made a meatball sandwich, but you know it's a meatball, so you can serve it with whatever you like. If you like mashed potatoes or spaghetti or rice, whatever you enjoy meatball with, you can go ahead. It is spicy, but it tastes delicious. And as I always say, go ahead, try it out. Let me know what you think, and see you all next week with another crazy idea.